Hello everyone, this is Manoj. I'm from Market Ideas for Profit. And this is about 3:42 in the afternoon from where I'm speaking. We are going to track the possibilities on what can happen on the Nifty and Bank Nifty as per my charts and as per my understanding and my analysis. Like always, I'm going to try and give you a perspective of what the Nifty can do. Now, obviously, there are three scenarios that can happen. It can be bullish, it can be sideways, and it can be bearish. So it's not rocket science to find what it's going to do, because I don't want to predict what it's going to do. I'm going to just try and work on the probabilities. And if it goes higher, what are the levels we're going to look at? If it goes down, what are the levels what are going to be the significant levels? And if it goes sideways, what are the significant levels that we will see from where it's going to reverse on the sideways? So even if it's on a sideways basis, what is going to be the bottom reversal point? What is going to be the top reversal point? These are the things that can help you, judge and take your trades accordingly. So I'm going to give you three perspectives on both these charts, the Nifty and Bank Nifty, for the coming week. So without spending more time on me talking, let me share my screen with you. And here goes. So this is the first scenario. So this is the Nifty chart. And if you see, these are the levels that I have marked out. Now, this is scenario one. We are currently here on the Nifty. Now, this is the Nifty 50 spot chart. So we're talking about the spot chart here. If you want to trade, you will obviously take these levels on the corresponding futures chart and trade that way. So if you see, these are the important levels that we will track if we are looking to be bullish. These are the important levels. This is the value area low, this is the value area high, and this is the point of control of this area. This is the volume profile that you see, and the lower end of the lower profile is here, and this is the value area low, the value area high, and the POC in the lower profile. And this is a significant point because this is the weekly point where the last fair value gap was created. So you can take a screenshot of this picture, or you can go back and check the video again, check these levels. I've marked out the levels, and these seem to be the significant levels that we will see if we're moving to the top. And I see this, according to me, is the more probable scenario looking at the current state of affairs. Now we will go to the second chart here, which is if we go on the bearish side, then I foresee that we will have a significant fall. Now, if we are going to go along the way as the US markets are expected to go this week, we might trend lower because the US had a very bad session on Friday, and there was quite a lot of weakness in the tech sector, which could cause a little bit of a sentiment failure, a weak sentiment in the coming week, starting at least in the beginning of the week. And if we begin that way, we could see a fall, and these are the significant levels that we could look at. Again, the same levels remain, and we could probably skip the higher end of the profile and start floating into the lower end of the profile. And these are the significant levels on the lower end of the profile, and we could be trying to go down from the value area high and sink towards the value area low in case we have a bearish sentiment. Then the third sentiment that we are looking at is the sideways sentiment. Obviously, the levels will remain the same, and we might spend some time between the two profiles, between the lower end of the upper profile and the higher end of the lower profile. This is where the sideways movement could lead us to. Again, you can take a screenshot if you wish to, or you can obviously go back to the video and take your screenshots as and when you have watched this video. Now, looking at this, now I'm going to take you to the lower end where I've got the Bank Nifty charts, and we will start with scenario one in the Bank Nifty chart. And this is what the Bank Nifty scenario. Now, Bank Nifty is a little more, I feel the Bank Nifty is a little stronger than the Nifty in the current week. And if we fall in the Nifty, we will have a sideways movement in the Bank Nifty. And these are the consolidation areas. So we might remain in this value area for a major part of this week until we break down. So this is the value area high, this is the POC, and this is the value area low. And if we fall, then I think we will have a significant fall. So let's look at the next scenario. And I'll take you to the next scenario, which I feel is going to be this, which if we go bearish, this is what we will do. and we'll try to tag to the lower end of the profile. So again, the lower end of the profile is way below, but we could drag ourselves lower and maybe find support at the value area high of the lower profile, because this area there's not been much trading if you see in the profiles. And if we fall, we should fall with a quick move down. So this should be a very important level to track. If we fall below 51,300, we are looking at lower levels. 51,300 could be an important area where we could bounce off and go higher, or if we fall, we could then start to fall from there. So 51,300 is an important level for me in this week. And then finally, if we are bullish, yes, the 51,300 may be an area which we could track down to and then move higher. We could also bounce from 51,450 if we are on the bullish side of things. I consider Bank Nifty to be more bullish than Nifty in this week. And looking at the price action that we got last week, all my assumptions are based on what chart I'm seeing and based on what we've seen. Obviously, the markets can go anywhere. But these are the three scenarios that I wanted to present to you this week, and hopefully we'll get one of them. And if you identify and if you see one of them building, probably that's the direction that you can take on your trade. This is all for this week. Look forward to being with you again, and I hope this session helps you. If you feel and you find some value in this video, do give it a like. Comment if you require some more information on the presentations that I make, and I will tweak my presentations to suit your requirement. And do subscribe to the channel if you're coming here for the first time. Look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.